Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to teach you the easy way to draw the internal structure of heart. Take a scale and make a line of 5.5 centimeters. From left side, take the distance of 1 centimeter and draw the line joining the second point. Erase the first line. Take the midpoint and measure 5.5 centimeters and point it. From here, measure another 1 centimeter distance and point the second. From second point, join the line on the upper side in a V-shaped structure. Circle this with a U-shaped structure bulging slightly on the right side. When we confirm the structure is correct in a proper way, then erase the dotted line inside. From lower side, take 1 centimeter distance and point it. And on the line, on two corners, keep 2 points and join these points with a U-shaped structure. Giving gap little, draw another U on the right side. From midpoint on the line, make an arc onto the right side. Measure half centimeter distance onto your left and make the second arc onto the left side. Give a double line to these arcs with a gap of half centimeter. These curves are called as pulmonary artery. From right ventricle, draw a hook-like structure and connect it to the midpoint of pulmonary artery with an arc-shaped structure. This forms auricle. From center of the line, measure half centimeter distance. And draw a semicircle upon the pulmonary artery. Give hook-like connections which form the valves of the heart. From center of semicircle, draw another 2 lines with the gap of half centimeter which forms pulmonary vein. Make all the tubes clear. Erase the connections focusing on one another. Like the lines in between pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery and the semicircle. From right end of semicircle, draw a tube-like structure bending downwards. Split it into two halves, giving tube-like structures. Right pulmonary artery, also split it into 4 tube-like structures. The distance of 3 centimeters on the left side and draw a line facing downwards. Give a thin double line to it and turn it inside with a hook-like structure. Measure 1 centimeter distance on the other side and draw another 2 thin lines. Give a gap of 2 centimeters distance and draw 2 more lines on the upper side. Giving double lining to each. Connect first 2 lines, the upper and the lower one, with an arc-like structure. Join the second 2 lines with the arc onto the left side, connecting the left auricle, the middle of pulmonary artery. These lines, the upper ones, are called as sinus venosus of superior and the lower 2 lines are called as inferior vena cava. Erase all the lines from inside. Draw cardiotendinae thin lines from left corner and from middle of the heart. Draw same thin lines on the right side from the right hook-like structures. They are the muscles of the heart. Draw 2 tube-like structures upon the semicircle. A single tube at the lower side. Split the arcs of pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein on the left side into the small tube-like structures. Fill the inferior vena cava, superior vena cava and the left side of the heart with dots which forms deoxygenated blood. Draw the arrow marks facing upwards from the inferior vena cava and arrow mark facing downwards from superior vena cava. That indicates the blood flow into the right auricle and right ventricle. From here, blood flows into pulmonary artery. It goes into the lungs. Give an arrow mark in the pulmonary artery showing the direction of flow of blood. Pulmonary vein collects oxygenated blood from lungs and passes it to left auricle and left ventricle. So the arrow mark denotes the direction of blood flow into left auricle and left ventricle. When everything has been done, make the outlining little dark and give the good appearance to the diagram. Done on the right side. So the artery which is taking blood from heart is called pulmonary artery, which goes to the lungs, and the blood which comes to the heart from the lungs is called as pulmonary vein. The joint in between the auricle and ventricle on left side, that is on the left auricle and left ventricle, is called left auriculoventricular aperture. And on the right auricle and right ventricle is called right auriculoventricular aperture. The midpoint, the line which is splitting the ventricles, is called as interventricular septum. The lines which are connecting the hooks to the ventricles is called as cardiae tendineae, which are the muscles of heart. Hope you have understood how to draw internal structure of heart. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.